Hello everyone, how are you? I think you all will be fine. Myself Pooja Gupta and welcome to my channel Code with Pooja Gupta. Here it's my day 5 of my consistency, of our consistency, and I am solving LeetCode question related to DSA. So let's continue with the question. Today I took a question number 922. The question title is Sort Array by Parity II. So first of all, it is an easy level of question I took from LeetCode. As my level was short, light, so I am taking easy level question. Then further with the day by day, I will increase my level. So it's an easy level of question. The question I can tell that it's 922 and sort title as Sort Array by Parity II. And continue with the description. It is given that given an array of integer nums, half of integer of in nums are odd and the other half is even. So first of all, we are having an integer array, and in the integer array, the half of the numbers are odd and half of are even. Now, what we have to do main thing. So sort the array. Whenever nums I is odd, and whenever nums I is even, then I is even. So for this, I am explaining you from taking the whiteboard. So I am just taking this example. Our question says that I'm going 4, 2, 5, and 7. In this question, the sorting is of some kind. It is given as some criteria that we have to do. First of all, I have to show you indexing that indexing of array start from 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. So first of all, we have to find that if the number is odd and I is odd, then I have to sort it on odd. So 0 is an even. So I have to put the even number here. So it's even, it's odd, and this is odd. So 0 is even number. Now what's it even? So 2 is even, so I have to put 2 here. I can also put 4 here. Okay. Then 1 is odd number. So I have to put 5 here. I can also put 7 here. Now next. First I have to put even, then odd, then even, then odd. It also may be odd, even, odd, and then even. So 1 odd, 1 even, 1 odd, 1 even. And also I have to maintain the sorting. Sorting is also must. Sort. Got it? So let's continue with the question. Now, with example 1, carefully examining the examples that is given. It is also a test case, we can say this. So nums, array having number 4, 2, 5 and 7, and the output will be 4, 5, 2, 7. Also the output will be 4, 7, 2, 5, 2, 5, 4, 7, 2, 7, 5, 4. So it is any kind of output, any type of output we can go. It would only have to follow and accepted by things. Okay. Then num2 is also like 4th. On examining the main thing that we have focused on the second question. That here is not matters, but here also matters. That if the first is small than large, so I can follow the thing that is. I have to sort even, odd, even and odd. So I will just say this one is larger, this one is small, then large, and then continue what will be here. Okay. Now in the arrays, the main thing that we have to focus on constants. So the length of the num length will be equal to 2 to 10 to the 2 into 10 to the power 4. 10 to the power 4, it means 10,000. So the length will be 20,000 to 2. Okay. And num length is even. Of course, it will be even because we have to divide that the half number are even and half, which is only possible when the length is even. half of the integers are given as even. Both the things are same. There's no sense to write these things here separately. And the number in the num I will be 0 to 1000. Any number between 0 to 1000 will be present in a nums I or num. So I think the question is okay. I'll explain the question and I think you will be also explaining. Now come to the boilerplate code. We have to code here. Okay. So first was intuition that I have to develop it. I have a num. Okay, num array having even and odd number. Okay, it is a mixed array having an even and odd both numbers. So, and I have to put what I have to put. I have to put even, odd, even, then odd. Okay. So my first thing is I have to create a num1, n1, n2, two arrays, and then I will separate all the elements that in n1 I will put even and n2 I will put odd. So even numbers are the numbers, those are divisible by 2, and the odd are those are not divisible by 2. Okay, so I will put all the numbers here and all the numbers here. Got it? And also the length of the number. So length of number, what will be the length? Of course, the even, half and half even. So the length of the n1, n2 will be the half the length of n2. Got it? I think I clear with this. So let's continue. So I have to continue with the now let's continue with the integer, but I have to tell you. First I have to create an integer array. As I told it odd number, so I can easily identify the array. So nums dot length, sorry, it's dot length. I have to create the same array called even, and also I took the even. Okay, and I take the value as. Now I have to create two arrays, odd and even, to sort them, to either to put the values that are odd in this, odd numbers in this, odd number in this. Now creating a for loop just to iterate through the nums. I think what's happening. Length minus 1 and I plus plus here, and then after we have created a loop which will iterate the through whole or the nums number. Okay, and then if nums I will be divided by 2 and make remainder 0, so what is it? Give me answer. Comment down please. What will be that? So of course it will be even number. So I have to just even k equals to nums I. I think you will be clear with my statement that again I have to just take two things here, num0 and int k, and I think q equals to 0. I taking this 2 as an index representative or index pointer to variable, just because I don't want to separately use loop for the initialization of the numbers to the odd and even. So I just put here, and after that I will just put k plus plus. If this is not happening, then what will be? So in else, if the number is not even, of course it will be odd. So order q equals to num sign and then letter k plus plus. So this for loop will create me a two different arrays with separate even and odd numbers. Now what I have to next put? I have to just next sort this. For sorting, I am not using the technical things. I'm not using traditional thing that if I is less than, second one less than, switch that between, then swap the value. I'm just using direct arrays collection, and just telling that arrays dot sort odd and arrays dot sort even. So it will sort my both array. Now I have to also put that k equals to 0 and q equals to 0. This is because I have to just again, I want to iterate again from the my both separate arrays. Now again I equals to 0, I less than equal to nums dot length minus 1 and I plus. Got it? Now what our question tells that nums I is odd when I is odd and nums I is even when I is even. So if I is even, then I odd, then number odd. So if I modulo 2 equals to 0. So what we have to do? Just put nums I equals to, now if I modulo 2 equals to 0, it means it was even. So we have to put from evens k and k plus plus. Else what will be happen? Else nums I will get the value from odd q and q plus plus. Now this for loop will do what I want: one even, one odd, one even, one odd. Okay. Now in simple, I have to just return what I will return nums. Got it? Now I have to, yeah, my both case cases are accepted. You can show it here. Now I have to submit the question. Yeah, it is good that we are submitting and my question is accepted. So I am using so the total runtime for the code what I have written is 6 milliseconds and the memory usage is 47.43 MB. We are getting a less number of percent, but day by day when our coding will be good, we will get more optimized and good code. So at last I would like to thank that you will be here and showing the videos what I have created, and I am requesting that I am creating such a content which will be valuable, and I think I am doing what I can and I am just trying my best. And please subscribe my channel. There's a little number of the persons, at least no one, a little number of person who is liking and subscribing and watching my videos. If you are watching my video, so please like, subscribe, and also share with your persons or the family or and the friends those are interested in coding. So let's continue your coding journey with me, and thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.